Bloomies! Welcome back to Can Pick One Art. I'm Binna here. This is Botanical Bloom Drawing Class number 9. And I'm going to try to pick one flower each month and make drawings, paintings with various mediums. So, this month's flower is Gerbera Daisy. Yay! You all know about this happy, colorful flower, don't you? I went to a flower market the other day and found the Gerbera Daisy. Beautiful, right? Today's medium is colored pencils. Before we delve into the mediums, let's see how we can draw Gerbera Daisy. First, start with a circle in the center. This will be the daisy's disc. Second, around the circle, draw florets. To keep it simple, imagine drawing the top of the fluffy cloud, like 3 soft half-round shapes. 3. Next, add the petals. A Gerbera usually has around 18 to 20 or more petals. To get the shape right, think of drawing your pinky finger, long, rounded, and slightly tapered. Four. Finally, draw a stem extending downward to complete your flower. Now I'm moving on to drawing the flower in colored pencils. This time, I'm drawing without an outline sketch. I start with lighter colors so that any lines can dissolve into the layers. First, I draw a circle for the disc, then the florets, and finally the petals, like little pinky fingers in different sizes, and of course the stem. Gerbera daisies are known for their bold colors and striking contrast. For this one, I chose dark magenta around the edges, creamy white tours in the center, and a deep dark disc. Just like watercolor, when using colored pencils, it's important to start lightly. I picked around 20 different colors: red, magentas, pink, light blues, blue, and greens. I begin with magenta, coloring lightly as if I'm sketching thin lines. Then I layer carmine red, pink, and blue slate. Don't press too hard. If you do, it's difficult to blend later. Light layers mix beautifully as you keep adding more colors. To blend, I use one of the lightest shades, cloud blue. Once the light coloring is finished, I define shadows and edges, still keeping it light. The first petal is done without going too crazy on details. Then I repeat the same process for the second, and so on until the whole flower is complete. I paused halfway to show you one more petal, so you can see how the colors mix. Now that the petals are finished, I move to the disc. I cross-hatch with deep shades, dark purple, violet imperials, violet blue, mulberry, and magenta, layering until the darkest part really pop. Finally, the stem. I keep it simple, using thin overlapping lines. And that's it. The whole drawing took me about 2 hours, but you've just watched it condensed into 10 minutes. So, what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week, I will be experimenting to draw or paint more Gerbera daisies. Here is the sneak peek. Thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing weekend. Take care. Bye.